Do you love cozy autumn days? Let's listen to my autumn bucket list. It's a cool autumn morning. The air smells fresh, and the leaves outside my window are orange and gold. Autumn is my favorite season. This year, I made a small autumn bucket list. Just a few cozy things I really want to do. First, I want to bake an apple pie. I love the smell of apples and cinnamon. It makes the whole house feel warm and happy. I've never baked one before, so I hope it tastes good. Second, I want to decorate my home with autumn things. Maybe I'll buy some pumpkins, put orange candles on the table, and hang little leaves near the window. It will look so cozy. Third, I want to watch autumn movies. I'll make some popcorn, light a cinnamon-scented candle, and wrap myself in a big, soft blanket. That sounds perfect for a rainy evening. Fourth, I want to make hot chocolate or a pumpkin latte. I'll sit by the window, watch the rain, and drink something warm and sweet. It's my favorite autumn feeling. Fifth, I want to visit a pumpkin farm. I'll walk around, take pictures, and maybe pick one big pumpkin to take home. It's fun to see all the different shapes and colors. And last, I want to go mushroom picking. I'll wear my boots and my cozy sweater, walk through the forest, and listen to the sound of leaves under my feet. Maybe I'll find some mushrooms for dinner. When I finish my autumn bucket list, I think about how lovely this season is. Autumn makes everything slow, soft, and beautiful. Let's go over some new autumn words together. These are all part of my autumn bucket list. Bucket list. A list of things you really want to do or experience. Apple pie. A sweet pie filled with spiced apples. A classic autumn dessert. Candle. A stick of wax with a wick that burns to give light and a cozy smell. Hot chocolate. A warm, sweet drink made with milk and melted chocolate. Pumpkin farm. A place where people grow and pick pumpkins in autumn. Go mushroom picking. to walk in the forest and collect mushrooms. Now it's your turn. What's on your autumn bucket list? Write it in the comments below. Maybe we have the same ideas. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more cozy English stories.